Thank you so much, Mr. Bhatt, for joining us here in this conversation. Like 2 months ago, when the reports of coronavirus started emerging in India, there was a particular concern for Bhilwara. A possible, disastrous outbreak was expected. But with your effective measures that you took to contain the coronavirus, you actually set a benchmark. Could you tell us about the strategies that you adopted, which actually now have emerged like a role model for the country and perhaps the world?
Bhilwara at that time, we found a first positive case on 18th evening and the second one 19th evening. And they were doctors
Hmm.
who had who were in a private hospital. And as per the record of that hospital, they had seen nearly 7,000 patients. This was a figure of more than 10,000 people who were in contact of these doctors, and we were not knowing that how many of them were infected or they could have spread to the others. It was not a people have called that time Bhilwara as Italy of India and Wuhan of India. So the people who called Bhilwara at that time as Wuhan or Italy were not wrong, because community spread was on the face of the wall. It was there. And the first thing, so what it is not a Bhilwara model. We were trying to protect our people from a community spread and protecting other districts and other states, so that our people who are infected do not go out, or the people from other districts and other states should not come in, so that the spread is stopped. That isolation of the district, then mapping of the hotspots, those persons who were positive, that area was known as hotspot. We used to, and the containment used to be 1 kilometer, then the buffer area will be 3 kilometers. So no, in containment zone there was no movement zone. So everybody, every shop, everyone was not allowed to come out. Then there was a door-to-door screening in the city area. So we have nearly 80,000 houses in the city. So every house, a team was made of 2 or 3 persons, which included a A&M or nursing staff or a medical student. One person from the medical side and other from either he's a teacher or a patwari or tehsildar or any of revenue service or panchayati raj or any other department. So there was a coordination between departments and teams were formed, and they started from the 18th night a screening throughout the city. When so many people are there who are home quarantined, so you have to have a very effective monitoring system also. So this monitoring system we developed from the village people. These 15,000 people who were quarantined at a time, so we made corona fighters, their neighborhood people, then the teachers of that village, the patwari, the sildar, all the government servants who were retired or presently working, they were made corona fighters. They were reporting to SDMs at this divisional, sub-divisional level. These SDMs were corona captains, because we were fighting with the corona. And at the same time, we had to, give IEC material, precautionary measures to be demonstrated and told to the public, and to make public aware that they have to wear masks, they have to sanitize, they have to keep social distance, they don't have to breach the home quarantine. Otherwise, they could spread. The first thing we did was the effective monitoring system was established, and a WhatsApp group was made of every village, of every subdivision. So on that WhatsApp group, that particular corona fighter used to give a picture of the door closed, and the person also he is well, he is not having any symptoms. So three pictures in a day for every 15,000 people who were there, we used to get, and we used to monitor it. It's okay now. So there was a curfew, and then there was a Maha curfew, which media called it. The Maha curfew was nothing but in curfew, the people were allowed to go to essential shops such as ration shops or fruit shops, vegetable shops, in a systematic way with a marka made out of each shops. A round of white chalk was made, and they used to stand in that. But Maha curfew, we did not allow anybody to come outside, and all the things from early morning milk to fresh vegetables to fresh foods, all ration things were supplied on the demand. A home delivery was made. So people were contented, and everything they required was at their doors. So they they were very participative. Citizen participation is a must in such kind of long curfews, and their participation was exemplary. People are conscious, they are wearing masks, they are keeping social distancing. They what the thing three things are must: mask, social distancing, and sanitization, washing hands every time. So now people are knowing that, and if somebody violates this thing, strict action is taken by the police and the administration. So,
Hmm.
because as our model is ruthless, we are very strict at times.
Right.
We had a prestigious point, whether to call in future Bhilwara as a Wuhan of India, Bhilwara as a Italy of India, or Bhilwara as a model which saved the people and contained the disease from spreading. So this was the thing which we were able to implant in the minds of the citizens also. If you want if you want to come out and spread it, then Bhilwara will be known as Wuhan, a city who was responsible for the spread of coronavirus in India. So
Hmm.
people also responded. People participation was tremendous, and these three factors were the main cause of containment, main solution of containment, that the state government helped. Lab was established. We asked for the doctors. Doctors were there. We asked for the nursing staff. Nursing staff was there. Everything we want were we desired, and we sent an application to the state government. Even asked them on the phone. So ACS, medical and CS, everybody okay in Bhilwara, give it to them because they are in a crisis. So the crisis management was not only done by district administration but by the government also and by the people also. This is a combined effect of all the three.
Mr. Bhatt, as we can see that the cases, number of cases is surging now nationally. Do you think this unlock one, as it has been called, would trigger community transmission?
It may, but the thing is, how long can you keep people inside their homes? 70 days already has passed. Now, what do you expect? That to lock down the lives of the people? The people have in America and other European countries, they have come on the roads protesting against the lockdowns. So it is now the government has taken steps. They have taken, three lockdowns, four lockdowns. Now it is people who have to uh, treat this corona thing as a part of life till the vaccine comes. So they have to live with it. When they have to live with it, that means they have to take the precautions of mask, sanitization, social distancing, and do all the activities. They cannot sit in the home idle, doing nothing, locking themselves in the rooms. How can a person or a family or an industrialist or a labor, how can they manage their lives by locking down themselves in their rooms or in the house? So it is not possible now to lock down. It is the only thing is it may spread because of some ignorant people, but the cautious people are there, and herd immunity will develop. 50, 60, 70% people may, get infected, but because of their immunity, I think in our Bhilwara case, I can take the case example of Bhilwara district only. Out of 153 cases which we have registered till today, more than 100 have been, cured and they are now corona free. And rest also, there are new cases. And I don't think the mortality rate is very less. Only those people expire who have some other diseases or major problems accompanied by corona disease. So I think the number may increase, but mortality rate should not increase. Our concern should not be on numbers, but on mortality rate. We have to take care of the elderly people. We have to, if you want that mortality should go down, then you have to stop and the elderly people to come out, take more precautions, and every generation should take care of our elders. That should be the motto. And if the mortality rate is less, then there is no problem. People may do come out, do their work, have their lifestyle whatsoever in way they want to have. Only the precautions which they have to take, they have to take.
My last question, Mr. Butt, what would be your message to people and administrative staff at other hotspots in the country?
Message is very clear. First of all, we have to take precautions, and those who are not taking precautions, for administration it is, ruthlessly they have to strictly they have to deal with people who are, not abiding by the laws, who are trying to do certain things which may be injurious to their health or to the health of the community as such. So strict actions as per laws should be taken against those who are not following the rules.